Well, who are you?
Me, I am your friend.
I haven't got any friends. Everyone hates me because I'm ugly.
Oh, well, they are too cruel. I think you look delicious.
What did you say?
I said hopefully to be so delicious. Look at them. Because you know that bread down there.
Looks really nice. It's French.
À l'orange. And do you mean to say that they did not let you have any?
Not a crumb.
Well, that settles it then. Lunch is in on me.
Do you mean it? You really are a French.
Of course I am. Now just follow me.
Oh, you know, I should tell my mother first.
Oh, no, you mustn't. Look at her. She's talking to her grace. Don't you know that thing should never interrupt her while she is talking to her grace?
I really think I should.
What? Geez. A little bit stale, but it's okay. Play.
Mama?
Yes, dear? Moment. Kiki, stop stepping on Downey's foot. She's going around in circles.
Mama, I've been invited.
I'm sure. Billy, not such big enough. We'll soak in a water for a you'll choke.
Would it be alright if I...
Oh, what's it? Fluff, I hope you're not just only picking out the sultanas.
Hey, look, we won't be gone that long. And besides, what harm can it do? And you did say you're hungry, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Well, that makes two of us then. Now, come along.
You're sure?
Oh, I'm quite sure.
It's Ida I feel sorry for. How she managed to lay the egg, I'll never know. Makes my eyes water. Thinking it out. I think it was up an annoying message, having someone looking like that paraded around the lakeside amenities. Excuse me? That is my son you're talking about? And there is nothing wrong with him. He just looks a bit different is all. And I think that makes him someone rather special. Look, Sir Ida, I agree. And if I agree, then everyone else should agree. I think that's totally an order from you two. Where's he gone?
I thought he was with you.
He was just a moment ago.
If he has any sense, he would have gone and put a bag over his head.
Wait, that's enough.
I'm kidding, dear. He can't be far.
He's trying to ask me something.
He probably wanted to go back to the lake. You know how much he loves to swim.
No, he wouldn't. Not without asking me first.
For God's sake, Ida. All right. Betsy, you search by the milking shed. Henrietta and Maureen, you search by the hen house. And Ida, we'll send the young ones back to the lake.
And I'll go to the grocery store. Come on, Dave.
Welcome to the Kitty Cat Snack Shack, fast food for famished felines.
It's a nice place you've got here.
A little busy perhaps, but I think it does at home. Now let me see here. Bucket cherries, bucket pineapple, bucket chestnuts, casserole duck, bucket pancakes with plum sauce. Here are amaranth.
So what are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
Yes, I know that. I mean, what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip something up, a surprise.
My mother must have been thinking of someone else. She told me to beware of the cat. Can you repeat that?
Well, you know mothers, they are all the same. For some reason, they think it's in their job description to keep us from having fun. But not my mother, no. Oh, no, she was different. Do you know what my mama used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your clothes. Lacerate cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers on the freshly planted bed. Oh. And with all tools of clothing, it's okay to pull some thread. But I remember at the kindergarten one phrase that let me feel you can play with your toys before you eat it. You can shift your child before you chew. You can play with your food and you can breathe it. So let me play with you. You can play with your food before you
to paddle in the puddles, dabble in the mud, tickle the backs in the shallows. Then maybe if it's time, go sliding in the slime to the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go slay a dragonfly, watch water float and race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
Oh, I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something witty. You can play with your food before you nibble. You can jest with your joints before you slice. You can play with your food, but not the dribble. My mama gave the best advice. You can play with your food before you open. You can't mess with your meal before your lunch. You can play with your food while you open. It's a great little game called lunch.
Or we could go rushing in the rushes, dashing down the ditch, finding a place where it's boggy. Then build a little camp which is secretive and damp for me and my mate the Moggy. And if the other ducklings want to come and join our games, they have to make a promise first to stop calling me names.
I'll help you to forget the way they scolded. Just as soon as I have got my napkins folded. You want to play hide and seek, do you? I'm getting warmer. Now, here's the food for you. You can chip your chow for you too. Take the food and can't beat it. So let me play with you. You can play with fruit or vine. Torn up the crotch. You can play with your food. Oh, I find it. It's a crazy little day. Tell me, Dusty, do you like oranges?
I don't know. I've never tried one.
Suck on this. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
What's that noise? No, it's coming from outside.
Oh, that's just those wretched children from the farm playing ball. Do they come play with me? Die, Buffalo! I don't suppose they remember they are a cat. You know, some people should not keep animals. And 8 out of 10 cats who express preferences would agree with me.
What are people?
Oh, no, people, you do not want to give me some bad news. That's what you are. And think yourself lucky, Ducky, that I'm going to spare you from ever having to encounter them.
Duck.
Yes, I know it is a duck.
Duck.
Yes, I know it is a ruddy duck.
Actually, I think I'm a mallet.
Sorry. I told you.
I know, don't say it. Both for a duck.
You broke the window. The mom's not inside.
Oh no, they're coming in. You know what? That's a good idea. You just stay there. And we'll meet up back in the junkyard some other time. Bye. All right. Now what's it? Left at the cow shed and right at the hen house. So, that's right. Got the big stop. I remember the smell. And there was that water bus that he wouldn't let me swim in. And no, it's definitely left at the cow shed. I like to paddle in the puddles, dabble in the mud, tickle sticklebacks in the shallows. Oh dear, I think I'm lost.
Lost? With the cat? I know ducklings don't get lost with cats. You know that. We don't know for sure. Did the cat really eat him, Mama? That's gross. Yeah, fancy eating something as ugly as that. Quack, 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 quack. I don't want to hear another quack, quack now. talking with them. What else around here looks like that? I won't believe it. He is a strong little duck, and I'm sure he can outsmart any mangy old Tom. Of course he can. And he's probably on his way back right now. And if he's not, well then I'll just have to go find him myself, won't I? Back. Everyone back, please.
And rolling. So tell me, it's been a week now since your son went missing. How are you bearing up? Can you manage it here for the camera?
What?
Oh, good. They were like, leave this to me, love. Now, which is my best side?
Great. What is this? Zoom into the headshot. Confusion, anguish, matrimonial disquiet. I love it. And close up the reaction shot.
This, dear, is Jack Dog from Birdwatch UK. They're doing a feature on us. They'll get us one up on the moorhens. Here's the picture you wanted. I'm afraid it's a bit torn. We're all in a state of very deep.
I know there have been rumors of fog-eyed bullying. Do you believe your son was abducted, or is it possible that he ran away to escape his persecutors? What are you saying? That's good, I'll buy that. Defensive yet emotional, just take hints of anger. I'm filling up here.
What about me? Does no one care what I have to think?
Sorry, mate, coming to the end of transmission. I'm going to leave the final word with Ida just in case your son is out there watching, but for now, this is Jack Shaw from Birdwatch UK saying that if you see anything suspicious, from thieving magpies to missing ducklings, the old bill is waiting to take your call. All right, Ida, it's all yours.
And don't start blubbering for God's sake.
Every time turn around, I expect him to appear. Everyone make my name, but it's your voice that I hear. Every moment that he's gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Back, all of you! More empty than the last. Everywhere the sun once shone, a shadow has been cast. Every moment that he's gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away.
But Ida, you can't leave me with the other four.
You'll manage, Drake.
But Ida, it's dangerous to go out there. You'll never make it.
My mind is made up. You have to understand, dear. A mother knows.
Well, you better take the mobile.
Thank you. Every moment that he's gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away.
Now, where have they gone off to? Shabby block. I do wish they would keep up. No discipline. That's the problem with the goslings of today.
They're probably tired, dear. We have been marching for an awfully long time.
Poppycock! And would you rather we fly with a shoe on the marsh? I think not, my dear. This way.
Excuse me, I wonder if you can help.
Keep walking. Eyes forward. You'll go at 4 o'clock.
You see, I'm lost.
No excuse for bad navigation. A bird who gets off his flight path doesn't deserve his wings. That's what I always say, isn't it, dear?
Always, dear.
But you see, I can't even fly yet. I got lost on foot.
But infantry, eh? Messy business.
He's something a youngster. Maybe we should direct him. Give him his marching orders.
Very well. We're geese. Migrants, you know. Birds of passage. Run a tight fleet. Wouldn't do for us to get off our way, what?
Well, there was that one time when we ended up in the Wayward Islands.
Windward, dear, windward. And that was a different matter entirely. Weak thermal, strong headwind, flood of course.
So how come my sister managed to make it to the bridge?
Yes, quite.
Where were you trying to get to?
Back to my mother on the lake. I saw some ducks flying over a few minutes ago. I think it must have been in that direction.
Well, if you did, it was likely the last flying mission.
Well, what do you mean?
Haven't you heard the ground to air, bang, bang, pop, pop, what?
No.
There's a chute on the marsh, dear. It's very dangerous.
What is a shoot?
Well, it's a people sport. One group of men swim through the marsh carrying ducks into the air, while a second group of guns shoot them back out of the air again.
The cat warned me about people.
The cat?
Yes, you see, I went off with this cat.
Oh, his parents plan to get rid of the ugly blighter.
Didn't your mother tell you how dangerous a cat is?
Well, yes, he did, but...
The enemy, nasty piece of work. Pull your wishbone soon as look at ya.
No, the cat said he was my friend.
You
So.
don't want friends like that, dear. Your mother was right to warn you.
She was?
Gun dogs, they must be starting to shoot again. I'd hoped it wouldn't come to this. Time for maneuvers. I have no option. All right, men, fall in. I didn't mean literally. All right, eyes forward. Let's have a look at you. Barnacles, barnacles. When I said eyes forward, I had naturally assumed your body would be facing in a similar direction. Sorry, Wing Commander. And look, you've trodden in something. How many times have I told you to mind your step? See to it. And snowy. Oh, never mind. All right, men, at ease. We received orders to go on a very delicate, not to say dangerous mission.
Oh, one of them, is it?
Our task is one of reunification and reconnaissance.
Oh, here we go. Translation that. The duckling's lost his mom. Listen, we're gonna go find her. If that's what he means, then why doesn't he say it?
You can always tell a public goose by his pidgin English.
We are about to go on a task of the likes of which we have never faced before. I know you will give your very best, and good luck. We're up on the wide goose chase. We will be no strangers to danger. The squadron will show no fear.
We're on, and no matter where. Although my goggles and sky, my goggles are sure to find your home.
Don't worry, I'll navigate.
That's what I was afraid of.
We're off on a wild chase. That's what we ask, who can do it as well as we. We're off to solve this problem's crux. What could be grander than having a gander for AWOL missing ducks?
Excuse me, sir. Bulrushes are advancing from the rear.
I believe we've spoken on the subject of your spectacles before our articles. Get them checked. Bulrushes do not advance. In fact, one of the things they are most famous for is being rooted to the spot.
Hello, you thought I lost you?
Stand back or I'll peck.
Oh, be still, my quaking legs. I'm going to be coast.
What are you doing here?
I've got to fetch you. Your mother's turned out to be here for.
My mother. You've seen my mother?
Of course, she's sending to fetch you. Special envoy.
Now listen here, I'm in command around here, and my squadron has taken personal charge of the Lieutenant's safe return to his mother.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns?
We'll commence maneuvers once the shooting party is over.
They're party, but what if we want to?
Silence in the ranks.
Perhaps I could be used. I'll go to the troops, and then I will tell you when they are packing up for the day.
Very well, but no funny business. I know several ways to escape your time.
It's like taking candy from a big
Company, present kazoo! We are about to face our most perilous mission today. I can hardly tell you the risk involved, or the ultimate price that we may have to pay. As we fly onto the marine, keep a stiff upper beak. Climb by your beast. And remember our motto, Semper Victoria non Cate de Flora.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dawn, and I am your senior flight attendant. And on behalf of the Ray Lag, I would like to welcome you all to this afternoon's flight from Mont Marshall to South Park. We will be cruising at an altitude of 7 feet and flying in a rather heavy formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency, then we ask that you observe this sequence, that we've been through so many living times before. We hope you have a pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing Corsair. The fluffy skies!
Your coast is clear. They're putting away their guns.
Are you sure?
On one of my lives.
All right, men, final check. And here's your parachute.
For me.
You didn't think you were going to leave you here on the ducks alone, did you? Oh no, because you're coming with us.
Oh, Kathleen, the wings are spread. Says birds are stowed away. It's time to fly. We're off on a wild chase. With the happy ending.
after the people have put away their guns. He lied. Oh, Mama, what should I do now? It's not always so easy to hold your head up high and appear bright and breezy. I thought dreams were made for a reason, but hope seems to fade with each season. And Mama, you seem so far away. It's your voice that I